Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to use aloe vera to get a more glowing skin. Now, use aloe vera for just 5 days, and in this way in which I'm going to be showing you just 5 days, and let me know how your skin is. Okay, be patient, watch this video to the end so that you see how I prepare it and all of the ingredients that I'm going to be putting into this remedy, okay, because that is what's going to make this treatment really effective. And use this for 5 days only, and let me know how effective it is on your skin, because I am positive it's going to be very effective. So let me walk you through into this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and let's go. So I'm gonna be needing aloe vera, and I have two types of aloe vera here. The first one is this processed 100% aloe vera gel, and the second one is the natural aloe vera gel, which is what we are going to be using for this remedy. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be using this aloe vera gel to achieve a glowing and a more polished skin. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to be dividing this aloe vera into 3 sections, and then I would have to be peeling the aloe vera also. This is just a very simple and easy way that I use in peeling aloe vera, and it's been great. Alright, so after peeling this aloe vera in 3 sections, this is what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be putting this aloe vera into this bowl, and then I'll be needing tomato. I'm also gonna be needing tomato. Now, tomato is a great remedy that helps to reduce the signs of wrinkles on the skin. It helps your skin glow, and it also makes you look super duper young. Using it alongside with aloe vera is gonna be so wonderful. Yeah, so let's go there. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm gonna be grating the tomato. So you can also just blend your tomato if you don't want to grate. So this quantity is perfect because I'm going to be using it just for one use. And okay, this is perfect. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be putting that into this container. And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is Fuller's Earth Clay Powder. Now, Fuller's Earth Clay Powder is a clay that works in absorbing excessive oil on the skin. It actually helps to leave the skin looking super duper smooth and soft, and it also helps to close a large and open pores. So we're gonna be making use of this a whole lot. So I'm gonna be putting just half of a tablespoon into this. Okay, And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is white sugar. You can also use brown sugar, which is actually very good. Now, white sugar contains a smaller granite particles. These particles help in dissolving dead skin cells, and it also helps to scrub out excessive oil on the skin. It leaves the skin looking super duper young and glowing. Yeah, so what we're going to do here is that we're going to be taking just 1 tablespoon of the sugar into this bowl, and then we are good to go. Okay, so we're going to be using either of this and this for this remedy, mixing it with aloe vera. Okay, and let's see how effective this 3 works on the skin. Now, after you've tried the 3 of them, then you can choose which one you actually do want to apply regularly on your skin. But before you do that, you have to test it first and see if it is suitable for your own skin. Okay, so here is your aloe vera, and I have here the Fuller's Earth clay powder, I have here the tomato, and I have here the sugar. Alright, okay, so before you apply this, you will have to dab your face with water. I just dab my face with water. Now, the essence of dabbing your face with water is so that when you apply this remedy, it's just going to get softened, and the ingredient is just going to actually get into your skin. Yeah, okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to grab it with the tomato, and then you scrub your face with it. Okay, you're gonna be feeling that sliminess, and then you squeeze it. You take the tomato like that, and then you rub it through. Still take more, and you rub it through. This is going to be perfect. Okay guys, so you have to test all of this to know which one is actually suitable for you, or you can just mix all of them and then you use it. So I've actually used the tomato plus the aloe vera, and I'm gonna go wash it all off. Man, it's actually really soft on my skin right now, and I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, so I just washed off the tomato, and my face looks really smooth. Alright, so apart from all of those small dark spots you see, look at my face. Looks really smooth, like so smooth. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be taking is the Fuller's Earth clay powder. Honestly, this Fuller's Earth smells really great. Smells so good. The smell is really wonderful. So I'm actually going to be squeezing it. Yeah, and I'll be using it. Okay, so I've actually finished using the Fuller's Earth plus the aloe vera. Okay, you have to be scrubbing those affected areas where you might be having any problems around. Okay, and this is actually really good. If you ask me guys, I just love it. I love I am so much in love with this. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash it off, and I'll equally use the sugar method. Okay, so I just finished washing the fuller's heads, and I'm also going to be using the sugar method, which is this particular one. So I'm actually going to be fetching it, enough of it here, and then I'm loving this, okay, because I need anything that will... Okay guys, so that's it. I basically love the tomato scrub, the sugar scrub. I just love all of them, so you can try it first and choose which one you want to always scrub your face with, and you are good to go. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys, and mwah.